Growth never stops. No matter what size your business is, you always have to be moving forward, keeping pace as things continually change and develop in today's marketplace. If you're not growing, you're not maintaining relevancy.
Employee engagement, from my perspective, is the greatest source of untapped profit that's out there.
Rob's the man. He brings an engaging audience, he speaks directly to us, and makes eye contact, and there are people from many different industries. We're all focusing on the same questions from a different lens.
When everybody comes to work in your company, if they can see what they do matters, think about the difference that makes in terms of their engagement.
Well, you can really tell that Rob loves what he's doing. He's speaking from his heart. He's speaking from a lot of experience.
You need somebody that has been there, has done the things that you're trying to do, has failed even, but then recovered, come up with a game plan, and can now teach it to others. Rob's that guy. He brings it to me in a way that I can see it working in my own business, my own company.
We got to make the core purpose and the core values part of your DNA. It's how you operate. It's how your team is recognized. It's what enables somebody on your front line to get up in the morning and say, I'm glad to go to work because I'm proud of the company for which I work. You're here for a why. Everything we do has a why behind it. What's the why for your company? That's the core purpose. You'll be amazed how that'll drive your people to greater and greater accomplishment, greater and greater engagement.